Welcome to Tell Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to narrate a custom story using the Tell app. And here we are in the Narrate section. You can also get here by tapping the button on the bottom left of the screen. Let's scroll down to the Tell Your Own Story category. And this is where you'll find all kinds of ideas to get you started telling your own family stories. Stories like That Special Place or The Day You Were Born. In this tutorial, we'll record the Your Story. This is a fully customizable story where you can record anything you like, change the title, and even add your own pictures and illustrations. So let's get started and tap on the Tell Now button. Just like the other stories on Tell, custom stories are split into cards or chapters. We recommend keeping your story in chapters of 1 to 2 minutes so that you can easily go back and re-record them if need be. The green arrow is our guide here, and that helps you keep track of where you are in the story. Let's have a go at recording this story, so I'll press the record button at the bottom of the screen. After the countdown, I can begin telling my story. And here I am recording and recording. At any point, I can tap pause to finish the chapter I'm currently recording, or scroll down past the current card. So let's tap pause. The recording stops, and I can start another chapter by tapping record. Let's do that now. Then if I make a mistake during recording, I can always go back and re-record a chapter. So let's go back to the previous chapter, chapter 2, and tap the red re-record button. I'll record my voice for a bit, and then once I'm ready, I'll tap pause. Let's go back to what we just re-recorded, and we can check it by tapping the play button. And then once I'm ready, I'll tap pause. It's that easy. So I keep telling my story card by card. I can easily add pictures too to any chapter by scrolling back to that chapter and tapping the Add Image button. Then I can either choose a picture from my phone's library or take a photo with my phone's camera. Let's take a picture right now of my mouse and resize it a bit, and then validate it with the tick mark at the top of the page. Finally, when you're done with the story, let's scroll all the way down and choose Finish Story. And that's it. Super easy. Let's head on back to the library now. Notice that the story appears in my Ready to Share stories, so it's ready to go. But I do want to change the title and I do want to change the cover. So let's go back. I'll tap on the thumbnail. Here I can also change the content of the story by tapping Edit to go back in and edit the story. Otherwise, I can also tap the Options menu at the top right and then Edit to change the name and the cover picture for this story. Then tap back to return to the summary screen. Back on this page, I can either tap the Share button or go into the menu at the top right to share with my friends and family. So that's it for recording a custom story. I hope this tutorial helped. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, tips and tricks, and also tons of free stories that we'll be making available right here on YouTube. See you soon.